Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Type C: and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space C: / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space *** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmdr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type in cd space C: / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32/config/regback, then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space C: / bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Type attrib C: / boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type run space C: / \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.